and welcome to our channel today where we're looking at the future of procurement with AI. Really exploring how AI is revolutionizing project management, project procurement, should I say, particularly in optimizing vendor selection here. Within the video, I'll cover some of the role of AI and procurement. I'm going to go into some of the benefits, AI tools and techniques that are there, some of the challenges that we need to consider and steps to implement AI, etc. Some considerations and a little brief summary. So without delay, let's crack on. So firstly, the role of AI. So AI isn't just for tech giants. It's becoming an integral part of, procurement by offering, unparalleled insights. Imagine AI algorithms processing complex vendor performance data to streamline their selection process, which means that there's a whole chunk of data that AI can look through, giving you as an individual a better understanding of what that procurement is like, etc., and giving you giving the tools to better make a judgment on which supplier is best for you. So what are the benefits really? Now with AI, we're not just selecting vendors, we're predicting their future reliability as well. So there is that a little bit of an edge there. This means more informed decisions, and you can make them faster with greater accuracy. Now picture an AI system that shortlists vendors based on success rate algorithms, saving you hours of analysis, should I say. So rather than doing it manually, AI tool is doing it very efficiently for you and streamlining it really quickly. Next one, AI tools and techniques. Now in the digital toolkit of a project manager, AI tools like predictive analytics are the equivalent of a power drill. They're powerful, precise, and save a ton of time. For instance, machine learning can analyze bids and rate them against success criteria, give you an objective view of the best candidates, give you a clear picture, and give you an analysis reasonably quickly. As long as you, again, with any AI tools, as long as you put in the right criteria, it will feed out the right information. So some of the challenges and considerations. So implementing AI isn't without its challenges. Like I've said in many of my videos, there's the need to ensure data quality and address the ethical use of AI. And really is to prevent bias. Now consider an AI that's been trained on diverse data sets to reduce bias, ensuring a fair playing field for all vendors. Now there is a risk that if as humans we can be manipulated, we can manipulate AI to get a result we want. So there needs to be some sort of governance and checks around that. And so within your organization, make sure that whatever data you're putting in is reviewed internally, is monitored, checked to make sure that the AI algorithm, whichever may use, is outputting correctly. And that should be done like any audit at regular intervals. Now, some of the steps to implement AI into vendor selection. Now, to integrate AI into your procurement process, start by evaluating your current selection criteria. Then explore AI platforms that specialize in procurement. It's like switching from manual steering to an autopilot mode, basically, but you're still in control, ensuring everything aligns with your project goals as well as the business goals, which is really key. Get a third pair of eyes, make sure that people are reviewing your data, reviewing the outcome, assessing that data. And there's also obviously GDPR, how that data is going to be managed and controlled is really key. Again, random data feeding is, I would say, has its benefits, but does also have its dangers where it could create that bias, which you are trying to avoid. So in summary, the AI enhanced future is really here. And as we conclude, well, let's consider the transformation potential of AI in your procurement strategy overall within project management. It's time to move beyond traditional methods and leverage AI to optimize your vendor selection. It's really key. I think AI is here to stay, has a lot of benefits, has a big role to play if done correctly, and is all about, in my opinion, providing efficiency and getting to the end solution or product, whatever that may be, with with more ease and more efficiency. Hope you liked the video, and thank you for listening today.